Choose the right skincare products for your skin type. Choosing skincare products that are right for your skin type can be a daunting task, especially with so many options available on the market. However, selecting the right products is essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. In this guide, we will share some tips and tricks for choosing skincare products that are right for your skin type. Tip 1. Determine your skin type. The first step in choosing skincare products that are right for your skin type is to determine your skin type. There are 4 main skin types: oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Oily skin is characterized by excess oil production, while dry skin is characterized by a lack of oil. Combination skin is a mix of both oily and dry areas, and sensitive skin is prone to irritation and redness. Tip 2. Look for products specifically formulated for your skin type. Once you have determined your skin type, look for skincare products that are specifically formulated for your skin type. For example, if you have oily skin, look for products that are oil-free and contain ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to help control oil production. If you have dry skin, look for products that are rich in moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Tip 3. Consider your skin concerns. In addition to your skin type, consider any specific skin concerns you may have, such as acne, fine lines, or hyperpigmentation. Look for products that are designed to address these concerns, such as acne-fighting cleansers or anti-aging serums. Be sure to read product labels carefully and choose products that contain ingredients that are known to be effective for your specific skin concern. Tip 4. Avoid products with harsh ingredients. When selecting skincare products, be sure to avoid products that contain harsh ingredients that can irritate or damage your skin. For example, products that contain alcohol, fragrances, or sulfates can be drying or irritating to the skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. Look for products that are gentle and non-irritating, and avoid products that contain ingredients that you know will cause a negative reaction. Tip 5. Patch test new products. Before incorporating a new skincare product into your routine, be sure to patch test it first. Apply a small amount of the product to a small area of your skin, such as the inside of your wrist or behind your ear, and wait 24 to 48 hours to see if any irritation or redness occurs. If you experience any negative side effects, discontinue use of the product immediately. In conclusion, choosing skincare products that are right for your skin type is essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Determine your skin type, look for products specifically formulated for your skin type, consider your skin concerns, avoid products with harsh ingredients, and patch test new products before incorporating them into your routine. With these tips and tricks, you can create a skincare routine that is tailored to your unique skin type and concerns. Having a consistent skincare routine tailored to your unique skin type is key to keeping skin healthy, clear, and youthful looking.